So, if you've already seen our previous Pixel Watch 5 video, we've already covered the design, the color options, and the expected pricing. This time, I want to focus on what's under the hood because that's where Google seems to be taking a different approach. One of the biggest talking points surrounding the Pixel Watch 5 is its processor, and if you were hoping for a major hardware upgrade, you might be a little disappointed. According to leaks, Google is expected to stick with Qualcomm's SW5100 platform once again. That means the watch will reportedly continue using a quad-core Cortex-A53 CPU paired with the Adreno 702 GPU, so there doesn't appear to be a significant jump in raw processing power. What's interesting is that Google has followed a similar approach since the Pixel Watch 2. Although the Pixel Watch 4 was officially marketed as using Qualcomm's Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 wearable platform, the Google Play console identified its underlying SoC as the SW5100 with the same Cortex-A53 CPU and Adreno 702 GPU. In other words, Google introduced platform-level improvements while leaving the main application processor largely unchanged. Based on current leaks, that trend appears set to continue with the Pixel Watch 5. That's especially notable because Samsung recently launched the Galaxy Watch 9 series with Qualcomm's newer Snapdragon Wear Elite platform. So while Samsung is moving to newer silicon, Google appears to be refining its existing platform instead. The good news is that the processor isn't the whole story. Google is reportedly increasing the RAM from 2 GB to 3 GB. That may not sound like much, but more memory should allow the watch to keep more apps running in the background, reduce app reloads, and provide extra headroom for Gemini and future AI-powered features. As Google continues integrating AI more deeply across the Pixel ecosystem, the additional memory could help the Pixel Watch handle more advanced on-device features over time. There's also another possible advantage to keeping the same platform. After several generations of optimization, Google may be able to deliver better efficiency and battery life without needing an entirely new chipset. Whether that translates into a noticeable real-world improvement, though, is something we'll have to wait and see. One detail that remains unknown is whether Google has upgraded the low-power coprocessor. While the leaks reveal the main processor, they don't mention the secondary coprocessor responsible for handling low-power tasks like the always-on display, notifications, continuous sensor monitoring, and other background functions. If it has been improved, users could see better battery life and more efficient background processing even if the primary chipset remains the same. The Pixel Watch 5 is expected to launch on August 12th in both 41mm and 45mm sizes. Based on everything we've seen so far, this doesn't look like a smartwatch focused on flashy hardware upgrades. Instead, Google seems to be betting on software refinement, additional RAM, and deeper Gemini integration to deliver a better overall experience. That's everything we know about the Pixel Watch 5 so far. If more leaks surface before launch, I'll keep you updated. Until then, thanks for watching and peace.